In this video, we're going to show you how to replace your driver's side headlight on your Ford Explorer, located right here. The process for this is the same for the passenger side. Once you have your hood open, I'm going to go ahead and grab this little panel, flip that over, and you're going to locate two 7mm screws. Loosen and remove those. In order to pull out our corner light here, there's going to be 3 posts that need to pop out of their plastic retaining clips. So you can start by grabbing the side here and trying to pull this out. And if that gives you some challenges here trying to get that out, you can use a trim tool on the top here and assist on prying on this here while you're pulling on the outside of the light. We're using the trim tool so it doesn't scratch the paint or mark anything up. On the back side, I want to go ahead and pull this out. We're going to twist the bulb units counterclockwise. Go ahead and remove all of your bulbs. Right on the top here is a little clip. We're going to use our needle nose pliers and we're going to pinch this. And it's going to allow us to go ahead and pull our headlight out of that retainer right there. So now that you have this out, we'll go ahead and remove this here. It's going to come on over here, lift up on a little clip, disconnect our harness. And right here we have the adjuster that goes into our header panel. Now on the back side of this here is going to be little spring clips like we had on the other side of our headlamp. We can only get our hand onto one of those little clips there and we can't pull this unit out. I'm going to use a Phillips head screwdriver and we're going to undo our adjuster. I'm going to thread that out. Now we still have to get this part of the unit out of the header panel. I'm going to reach around the back side. And you can feel the little spring clip. I'm going to press it on one side and we're going to use a small pocket screwdriver and come around the other side and try and pinch that and work this back and forth to get this out. Now that we have it out, you can see the little tabs on the top and bottom. We could only reach one side and then we use our screwdriver to go in, get on it and press that in and pull this out. Install the harness on the back side of your light. And go ahead and line up our adjuster tabs here. Now when installing this here, you have your little 4-legged unit right here that needs to slide in, and then there's a notch right here. I want to go ahead and slide this together. We're going to do the same thing on the inboard side. Slide this back into place. Push that in, you're going to feel it lock into place. Same thing there. Lock that in. Now once we have our upper tabs in, we have our adjuster right up in this notch. I'm going to go ahead and push the bottom corner in. Pop that into place. Go line that up. Twist that clockwise until it stops. And then reinstall. You want to make sure that these little tabs here line up properly. Insert, twist clockwise, lock it in, press it in. Get that lined up, turn it clockwise to lock it in. Now we're going to install the light. Now on the back side, you're going to have 3 of these metal pins here that pop into holes in the header panel itself. So when you line this up, While you're inserting this here, you're going to look at the tabs on the top and make sure that those line up on the top of the header panel as well. Once these are lined up and your light is lined up with your headlamp, you go ahead and install the 2 screws. Now you're just securing the plastic, just gently snug those down. You don't want to make them super tight. Do the same here. And go ahead and repeat for the passenger side.
Now we're going to get the vehicle ready to aim the headlights. Start with the tire pressure, making sure all 4 tires are set at the appropriate pressure. Remove any excessive weight that's not normally in the vehicle. Find a wall that you can drive up to where the ground is level. Measure 25 feet away from that wall and mark the ground. Drive your vehicle up to that mark. With the headlights off, look for the center dot in the headlight lens. Measure from the ground to that center dot. You can use a ruler to help you out. Transferring that measurement to the wall, making a mark with some tape. On the driver's side, measure down 4 inches, putting another piece of tape. For the passenger side, you only need to measure down 2 inches. Now turning the headlights on, it is easier to do this at night or in a dark area. Locating your headlight adjuster and using a Phillips head screwdriver, turn your adjuster one way or another to bring the headlight up or down. Once the headlight is adjusted to the tape mark on the wall, move on to the next headlight. If you're confused because the beams seem to blend together, you can always have someone stand in front of the other headlight while you make your adjustments for that one. Now your headlights are aligned and you're all set to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.